So a tour is done of this museum, and I do really recommend coming here because you can see many paintings. And the most famous one here is Cecilia Gallerani from Leonardo da Vinci, and you have many other things about Polish history. So if you are interested into that, it's really worth it. The price of this museum is the tickets to the entrance. It's about, I think, roughly about 17 euros or something like that, and it's really worth coming here, definitely. So let's go somewhere else now. This is the museum itself. There's the outside part, and then you can just go inside. Yeah, the price is about 17 euros, 65 zloty, so it's a quite reasonable price for what it is. So just came to this place and I just ordered Zapiekanka, which is like a sandwich. Let's try it. And this is what we get for 27 zlotys. Zapiekanka. Let's try it out. Very good.
Mama.
So here we are in the market, one of the most important trading centers back in the days, and that's how it looks like right now. You can literally buy almost anything from here. If you want to buy some souvenirs, here you can get it. And also you have the representation of the old Polish places with all their flags or their emblems, at least, with all their symbols. So there you go. And here we are at the other entrance to the market. This is Czartoryski Museum. And there we are. And from there we have this basilica. As you can see.